do you prefer document on your words, or you also focus on your
my phone, sir.
your laptop phone, right? Okay, so you know the rule, right? You take 10 minutes. Now 1:31, and you will go till 1:41 as well. Be informed that I will raise the timing to you when left 3 minutes before.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
So I just verify you before you present. You submitted only Word docs, right?
Yes. Yes.
Is it correct? Yes. It's your book review. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Kim. This morning you've been learning a lot from your classmate. I hope you learned a lot of techniques, and to keep this record documentary video for you and for everyone to see here for how good memory with you guys. Okay, this is the last year for everyone. So now it's 1:32 already, and I will start counting from now until 1:42, and then you stop. Okay, good luck, sir.
First, I would like to say good afternoon, teacher, and good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to a presentation about the book review. Okay, everyone, don't waste time. Listen to me, and I will explain you about what you don't understand. Unit 1, we go faster. Go faster. It wastes my time. Unit 1, we study about introduction of study. Introduction. Study of learning is a foundation or starter of studying about something relevant with practice and theories. It is frustrated measure for learners and teachers in different way. Learning defined. Learning is a strategy to improve human activity by doing more research and study about new research. Precursors of modern learning theories. It is a relationship between origin and modern learning. It has little different ways via theories and practice. Learning theory and philosophy. It is studying about something that are used in learning in practice and theories by using philosophy method to teach effectively. Rationalism. It is a studying about something using brain to analyze about what is right or wrong we are thinking and focus on reason or reasonable or not. Empiricism refers to idea that experience is the only source of knowledge. It means every knowledge occurs by doing something again and again. The beginning of psychological study of learning. The formal beginning of psychology as a science is difficult to pinpoint. One psychological laboratory is the collection of scholars who conducted research aimed at scientifically explaining phenomena. Ebbing verbal learning. This is the way that he learned by repeated action again and again and memorized some meaningful passage and found the meaningfulness made learning easier. Learning theories and research. Theory and research are integral to the study of learning. The section discusses some general functions of theory along with key aspects of the research process. Function of theory. Something organized already is called theory. It was research, taken note, collected its data for the next learners. Conducting research. To conduct researching, we have to think many points like who will participate, where will the study be conducted. Correlation research. The positive correlation between self-efficacy and achievement could mean that self-efficacy influence on the achievement. Experimental research. Researchers use self-efficacy to clarify cause and effect relation, which help us to understand the nature of learning. Qualitative research. The qualitative research paradigm is characterized by intensive study, description of events, and interpretation of meanings. Laboratory and field research. Laboratory research is conducted in a control setting, and field research is conducted where the participants live, work, or attend school. Assessment of learning. It's a way to test the student ability in the class or out of the class. Written response. Written response is about is a studying of student ability. They can write something or not, or they pay attention to the teaching or not. Oral response is focused on teacher as student face to face to make sure that the student understand the lesson or not. Rating by other. Sometimes learners don't know where the mistake is, so someone else, friends or teacher, can give feedback to the learner. Self-report. In self-report means the learners need to write or take note something to make sure they have something that don't understand. They can ask their friend or teacher. Historical perspective. Researchers increasingly are viewing teaching as the creation of learning environments that assist students in executing the cognitive activities necessary to develop skills and reasoning ability. Instructional commonality. The processes and behaviors are used in classification and type of cognitive processing. Ability to recognize problems, dealing with problems, organization and knowledge structures, and ability to monitor performance and select strategies. Integration of theory and practice. They both are important for teachers and learners. They are relevant with each other to help teaching and learning. Critical issue for learning theory. It has many problems in learning. Studying is different from place to place according to environment, and social activity. How does learning occur? Behavioral and cognitive theories agree that differences among learners and in the environment can affect learning. What is the role of memory? Memory is the important point that can help student or learner to memorize something that they have learned. What is the role of motivation? Motivation is the important point that every learner needs to complete something, or when they have mistake, they need the motivator. Unit 2, Neuroscience of Learning, Organization and Structure. The spinal cord is about 80 inches long and the size of an index finger. It runs from the base of the brain down the middle of the back. It has relationship with brain. Neural organization. The CNS is composed of billions of cells in the brain and spinal cord. There are two major types of cells, neuron and glial cells. Neuron. They are different from other body cells in two important ways. For one, most body cells regularly regenerate, but neurons do not regenerate in the same fashion. Brain and spinal cord cells destroyed by a stroke, disease, or accident may be permanently lost. Brain structures. The brain composition are mostly water, 78%, with the rest fat and protein. Its texture is generally soft. Cerebral cortex. Something covers the brain, which is a thin layer about the thickness of an orange peel. Brainstem and reticular formation. At the base of the brain is the brainstem. The brainstem handles ANS involuntary functions through its reticular formation, which is a network of neurons and fibers that regulates control of such basic bodily functions as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, eyeball movement, salivation, and taste. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is the key to motor skill acquisition. Thalamus and hypothalamus. The thalamus acts as a bridge by sending input from the sin organ to the cortex. Amygdala. The amygdala is involved in control of emotion and aggression.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sir Kim. Your time is running away, right? Thank you very much for your presentation. Everybody, do you have any question to your classmate? No? You should ask him. Okay, why not? Okay. Yeah, to Mr. Kim, I will give you some comment as soon as possible, and yeah, hopefully you learn some part. Okay, let's see. Easy to Mr. Kim, because he submitted only Word docs, right? Everybody, please look through to the whiteboard. Yeah, that's great. Kim, just you missed the PowerPoint, right? Yeah, and preface. Still original. Yeah, please. This is still format. And acknowledgement still format. Declaration still. Okay, approval sheet still, and abstract still. Yeah, finally unit 1. Yeah, what I feel interested that you went through, like, like 1.1, 1.2, that's great, but miss the contents, right? You got it? You know the table of contents? Yeah. So please check table of contents. We would like to know and to see more what is your table of content look like. One presenter is coming, right? Not too bad, okay? Okay, yeah, so this is my comment. I don't have much, but please try to speak what you understanding. Don't really focus on reading, okay? Yeah, just take note keys, right? Just take note keys. Should be okay. Yeah, I have like this, Mr. Kim. Thank you very much for your valuable time and great speaking voice, and during the, because thunderstorm, lightning around. I hope your soul still in your body, right? Your lungs still in your body. Thank you very much. Okay, yeah. Who? Who? Oh, no time for him. Run out. Yeah.
No
1 o'clock for him.